In today's videos, I'm gonna make my favorite drink, pineapple. I'm gonna use about quarter of the pineapple. Gonna use a lemon, it's been washed already. Just gonna pare off some of the spot. That's how it comes. Give it a wash. Cut it up in the skin. For anybody with arthritis and stuff like that, rheumatitis, this is the real thing for you. I'm going to use a piece of ginger. So when I finish, this might give me about 2 cups. You can even put hot water on this. Make yourself some lovely tea. I'm going to add some water. Time to blend. Cheers to you all. Lovely. Very delicious.